Hai. Okay, you sing me.
Yeah, come on.
Let's do a song. All of you. What's a famous song? Yeah.
Netflix is about movie, right?
Oh, it's television. It's got movies and series as well.
What grades did you teach for?
What grades? I teach, mostly I teach what they call early years. We call them new entrant. So 5-year-olds. I like teaching 5-year-olds.
Is that kindergarten?
You call it kindergarten here. In New Zealand we call it, they start school at 5. We actually start school at 5. So we have 5-year-olds. And I like teaching 5, 6, 7. Well, at the moment I'm teaching grade 1.
Okay, so what's your favorite game? What is your favorite game? Football.
But
So, do you have pet in your village, New Zealand?
Bread?
Pet.
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 Bats.
Pet.
Yeah.
Pets.
Ah.
Do you have
No, but we have one bat,
pets?
but just lives in a cave.
So what is this?
He's hiding. He's only little bat. He's eating berries. Yeah, flying around everywhere.
So-
Bats.
In Indonesia, I never see bat.
Ah,
Yes.
you don't have them here.
Yes.
Ah, in Surabaya,
Surabaya.
many,
Many. There are many bats.
all flying around all the time
Oh.
at night. Yeah, many bats. Yeah. Potato. Yeah, we don't grow rice. No rice. But many other vegetables. Yeah, we grow.
Which one do you like to stay in New Zealand or Indonesia?
I like Indonesia, but for me it's hot.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, all the time hot.
So in New Zealand it's cool.
Yeah,
Weather
New
is cool.
Zealand it's hot and then cold.
Oh, good one. Seasons you're talking about. A season. So here we've got, how many seasons in Indonesia?
2 seasons.
2, yeah. And what are they?
Rainy and summer.
Yeah. So in New Zealand we have 4. And sometimes we all have them all in one day, but they are, we have summer, autumn, winter and spring. Yeah, spring. And so when I go back to New Zealand it's going to be winter, because July is winter. It's going to be very cold. Very cold. So I'm going to have to wear a jacket and be very, to keep myself warm.